people, it's Amber. Welcome back to my channel, and today we're in my new house. Like, oh my god, it's so cute, it's so nice, you know, so casual. Could you imagine? I freaking wish. No, this is actually the lobby of the hotel I'm staying in, just, you know, for fun. And I thought we would go ahead and film in here because, well, literally no reason. Anywho, speaking of home, you know what's coming up? Homecoming. I mean, at least I think it is. I'm like old and I'm not in high school anymore, obviously, but a bunch of you guys have sent in requests for me to do a homecoming themed video, so today I'm going to do one. So today we're gonna head off to Goodwill and see what kind of makeover we can create. Because like I always say, there's no reason you can't look fabulous on a budget. So, without further ado, me and my fabulous new location, DIY thrift store homecoming dress makeover. It's gonna be fabulous. Be excited. Baby, wow, I should stay here all the time. This is so fun. Okay, anyway, so of course, as always, before we get going, here's my outfit of the day. Today, we are wearing our hair up like a crazy person. This fabulous shirt that you guys saw in my Kylie Jenner lookbook. It's neon orange because we love that. And I'm actually not wearing a bra, which you can't tell, which is fun. And, ooh, these fabulous acid wash jeans, like I said, from H&M. 20 bucks. We got some sneakers to make it casual, high socks to make it 80s style, jazzercise, woo, woo, woo. That is our look. So now we're going to head off. Except actually, I'm just gonna give you guys a little bit of time travel because I actually filmed this video a few days ago. So here we go. Me picking up the goods. Oh, that didn't work. Okay, here we go. Alrighty, hitting up good old Goodwill. So let's see what we got. Oh my gosh, I freaking love Goodwill. We're going to look at the dresses. So let's see what they got. So homecoming, I feel like the vibe is more short dresses, so we're gonna look for something like that. I do not know what I want. Ooh. Alrighty, we got lots of stuff. Let's see. Oh, hello. Welcome to my dirty mirror. I don't know. Oh yeah, Cardi B. No. Honestly, this dress is kind of a look on its own. Hey, I'm picking out crusty stuff today. Oh yes, so flattering. You know, I actually think this could work. Alrighty, so we got the goods, so now it's time to go visit good old Benny. Alrighty, we're visiting Benny. We're gonna surprise him. Hi, Benjamin! Surprise! Good. How you been, Benny? We missed ya.
Well, I'm so happy that you are here. I'm in a much better mood right now.
Yeah. We're doing a DIY homecoming dress. You got some goods for me?
Oh, obviously. Look at this.
Obviously, Benny is always got the hookup.
Ready for you.
Literally, Benjamin has the greatest store in the history of the world. Oh my god, this place is iconic. Ah! Wow. Ma'am, you are serving. La 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 la. Alrighty, so here's the dress that I think we're gonna use, and what we're going to decorate it with is a mystery. Maybe. Oh, maybe. I think this is what we're gonna go with. You like it? It's the winner chicken dinner.
There you go.
Thanks for being in my video as always, Ben.
Oh, lovely. Thank you for having me.
I'll see you next time.
For sure.
Alrighty, so we just got back. So are you guys ready to see what we bought for this project?
So because I'm a shopaholic, first of all, I actually ended up buying this dress just for fun. You guys saw it on Instagram the other day. So freaking cute. I love it. And I also got this other one because it was literally $1 and I can't say no to buying stuff that's $1. But anyways, that's aside the point. So,
alrighty, so this project is going to be super easy because I literally only bought 2 things. This is the dress that I ended up picking out.
This was literally only $8.99, by the way, so a banger deal.
And this is the glittery fabric that I chose, courtesy a la Benjamin. And we're going to see what we can come up with this. And that is what we got, so let's get crafting.
So again, here you can see the dress before, just kind of ill-fitting, not that great, but we are going to make it fabulous. So first things first, of course, we're gonna, hoe it up, make it short. So we're gonna go ahead and take some needle and thread, good old-fashioned sewing over, under, just like Mama taught ya. Or if Mama didn't teach you, I'll teach you. But literally all we did was go ahead and sew that up. So then, as you can see, the dress is now Sure. Next, we're gonna go ahead and take the fabric and we're actually going to cut it. So it is going to be trimmed down. We're gonna take a little piece of it off so it's a little bit easier to manage. And then what I think I'm gonna wanna do is wrap it around my waist to make the bottom fabulous. Hi, Pumpkin Man, I love you, Georgie. Oh my God, he's the cutest dog in the world. So anyways, yeah, so like I said, I think I'm gonna wanna wrap it around like this kind of Grecian style here. So I'm gonna go ahead and pin it and then go ahead and you can see right here, I'm going to sew that on so it stays in place. Till voila, it's stitched on perfectly. So now we're gonna go ahead and take the extra fabric that I trimmed off earlier and I'm gonna go ahead and fold it over itself like this so you can see it's more, you know, like that. Then I'm just gonna go ahead and take a needle and thread and kind of stitch that together so it is kind of like a ribbon sort of thing-esque. And what I'm going to do after I do that is I'm gonna take the extra piece and I'm gonna wanna make it into a sleeve. So I'm gonna stitch it onto the sides of the dress like this so it sticks like that. These aren't really the best directions in the world, but you know, you get the point. I'm trying. So go ahead and stitch that on there in the two sides so it kind of hangs over the edges like a little glamorous Greek scenario going on here. Then when it is all done, you can see it kind of looks, wow, oh my God, the sparkles. It kind of looks like this, which doesn't look like too much on the ground right now, but stay tuned. It's going to be fabulous when it's on. So here we go. Fashion show time.
Alrighty, are you guys ready for this? Ooh, ready for homecoming. Oh, like a fancy Greek queen. Oh my God, I love it. Oh, you guys can see the finished dress. Oh my God. You can see the skirt came out so cute, very like Greek goddess-esque. The top too, we have the off-the-shoulder sleeves looking fabulous and very, you know, couture. Oh my God, so good. Went ahead and paired these glittery shoes with it to match. My spray tan looks a little crazy, but oh, yes. The football quarterback might not have asked us to homecoming in high school, but he sure is in the DMs now. What's that? It's Athena. You called? Oh my God, the gold on gold is fire. Who's gonna win best dressed? Me. And 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, homecoming queen. Hell yeah. That's the worst poem ever. Is this what the kids do at the dances these days? The disco? Lord, I don't know. Oh my God, did you see what Amber's wearing? I heard it's from Goodwill. Damn right, bitch, and I still won best dressed. Oh my God, it's like Versace couture. Overall, I would say we frickin' nailed it. So there you have it, you guys. That was me making a DIY homecoming dress a la the thrift store. Did you guys notice my glittery eyeshadow? It matches. So fun. Okay. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this video inspired you to get a little creative with your own homecoming looks. Or, you know, just your looks in general. There's no reason anything can't be fabulous. On that note, I love you guys so very much. Of course, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, whatever. And I will see you guys next time. I love you so much. 3 million kisses. Oh my God, yes ma'am, we are serving today. Inspired.